Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this POWEROWL, and this is going to be a AA battery charger. Let me show you guys what it all comes with. Comes with a wire here, so this is going to be the wire to the device, and it's going to be, it's like USB to micro USB. It's using old school micro USB. Just doesn't need much for this, and it comes with 8 of the AA rechargeable batteries by POWEROWL as well. And we have the charger, which will charge all 8 simultaneously. So how cool is that? So we'll just hook it up through the micro USB. Right there is the little port on the side. Hook it up there, plug it into my charging block that I have, and charge all my batteries. I got this here because it seems like everything uses AA's, but mine, I have these battery powered, these motion sensor garbage cans in my bathrooms. And so they use 4 batteries each, so I need this, and this is great. So this will just keep my garbage cans charged without having to keep replacing batteries. So very cool little device, and they'll just go in there and be able to charge, and good to go. Totally cool. Thumbs up.